How do I find my OTP code? Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys which are the places where you can find your OTP code for verification. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so the first place that you can find one-time password is the most common place you can find the code message is a text message or an SMS. So after that, when you log into your online account for the first time, banks often offer you the SMS to your phone. As you can see on the left side of the screen, you will get something like this as your text message to get your OTP. Another possible place is to a software OTP generator as an application like the Microsoft Authenticator or even the Google Authenticator app. And the third place is an RSA device that generates the OTP code. So after all of these methods, the last place where you can find the OTP code is a printout with backup codes. So these are all of the places that you can find OTP codes on, and it can be helpful if all other cases sources are not working. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.